Hello there, I hope you're well. Just wanted to share with you a very quick top tip video. Inside here I have what I made earlier, some Firelighters, and I'll just show you how I made this and put this together. So what you need is one of these vitamin tubes. Oh look, here's some I ate earlier, a load of lolly sticks, barbecue fluid, a couple of cotton wool pads. Really simple. All you do is chuck some of this barbecue fluid in here. Good dollop, about half full. Makes a great noise that, doesn't it? And then chuck some of these lolly sticks in. Now these have been washed, as you might imagine, and left to dry. Just chuck a few in. Push them down a bit. The fluid then oozes up and capillaries into the wood. One of these on top just to stop it oozing about, which also then doubles as another firelighter in case you need it. Pop the lid on and just leave it to soak, and that's it. And then what you end up with is something along these lines. These are just some little bits of wood that I had as well, and you end up with something that looks a bit like that. Right, what you do, these light really quickly and easily, and they burn for quite a while. Cool, right? Hope you've enjoyed that. As I say, this was just a quick firelighting tip video. I'm going to use one of my magic firelighters. And when I say magic, they're just lolly sticks drizzled in barbecue fluid. If I can get one out, there we go, look at that. So what we're going to do is just light this, stick it in the middle of that, and oh, look at that, that's hard to light, isn't it? Stick that in the middle of there. Big bit. That bit around there, that's it.